Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Nginx reverse proxy to a backend service step by step clearly. Before you start, ensure you have access to your server via SSH. First, update your package manager to ensure all your packages are current. For Ubuntu or Debian, run the command sudo apt update. If you're using CentOS or a similar distribution, use sudo yum update. Next, check if Nginx is installed on your server. You can verify this by using the command Nginx v. If Nginx is not installed, install it by running sudo apt install Nginx for Ubuntu or sudo yum install Nginx for CentOS. Once Nginx is installed, open the configuration file in a text editor. For Ubuntu, use sudo nano /etc/nginx /sites available /default. For CentOS, you'll typically edit sudo nano /etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Next, clear the existing server block or location block settings related to your backend service. Add a new server block for your domain by typing out server, followed by the server details. Specify the server name with server_name yourdomain.com. Now, set up the location block that will direct traffic to your backend service. Type location / to begin the configuration for the main path. Use the proxy pass directive to direct requests to your backend, like so, proxy_pass http //127.0.0.1:8000. You can replace http //127.0.0.1:8000 with your backend's specific URL and port. Add additional directives to handle headers by including proxy_set_header host. Ensure to close the location block with a closing brace. After completing your configuration, check for syntax errors by running sudo nginxt. If the test returns no errors, restart the Nginx service with sudo system to restart Nginx. To ensure everything is working correctly, navigate to your domain in a web browser. Confirm that the requests are properly routed to your backend service. If you encounter issues, review the Nginx error logs with the command sudo tailf/var/log/nginx/error.log. Once you have verified the functionality, your Nginx reverse proxy setup is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.